everybody, my name is Bogdan and I'm a beekeeper, and I'm here to present you Apiary Blue Book. It's the #1 application for beekeepers, and I'm very proud of this. I have 20 years of experience as a software developer, and 4 years ago I decided to spend more time in nature, and with the help of an experienced beekeeper I bought an apiary and started my beekeeping journey. To tell you the truth, being a beekeeper give you a lot of satisfactions, but also a lot of pains, because I lost a lot of beehives in the previous years because of the pests, diseases, climate change, chemicals in the agriculture. And this is also the problem for almost 5 million beekeepers from around the world that are facing huge losses of bee colonies every year. Beekeepers need a tool that will allow them to make proper, informed decisions based on historical data, current conditions, and best practices. 4 years ago when I started the beekeeping, I used paper and pen to take notes of each bee colony. 1 year later, I decided to build an application that will allow me to take notes on my smartphone even when I'm in the apiary. 2 years later, this application is the most complete and complex application for beekeepers. It is already translated in 14 languages, and we have a very strong community. This is our important asset. Basically, a beekeeper can take notes of each activity performed in the apiary, and he will receive notification and useful, immediate insights. Last autumn, I decided to enhance this project and add some more features like multiple device synchronization, team collaboration, integration of IoT sensors in the beehive for measuring temperature and humidity, for example. And later, because we will have all the data in the cloud, we will analyze it and extract some useful information for a beekeeper or for a group of apiaries from a region or even a country. Our revenue streams is based on subscriptions. We will have in 2 months a freemium version, and also we can add also some affiliate model in our application. The skills of my teams are complementary. We complete each other, and we are very good friends. And this team and our vision was already considered by the Benthal Green Venture. It is an accelerator from London. We are doing now the acceleration program there. And we are looking currently, actively seeking for more investments. These investments will allow us to increase the members of our team and to be more active on marketing side, because till now our marketing strategy was just word of mouth. I will not showing the demo. Yes. So, as you can see, this is the dashboard, and beekeeper, first when he comes to his apiary, he can identify his beehive using QR codes or near-field communication tags. Also, he can check the history of all his beehives and also see some checks for the inspections, history, data that was added in the past. He can also, for example, compare the strengths of the beehives and can take actions, put some actions to be done in the future. In the to-do list, you will see some actions added by me for my apiary. Also, we are presenting to the user an assistant that can present to the user immediate insights For example, if the queens are too old, some actions might be performed for the next year. The application works offline in remote places, and also the data is backed up in the cloud. And this is it. Apiary book is not about bees or beekeepers, it is also about us, because bees are pollinating 2/3 of our food, and without food we will have an unsafe, unsustainable future. Thank you very much.
Thanks for a great education about bees. I didn't understand a lot of what goes into it. Just a simple question is to understand the market scale here. How many beekeepers are there in the world?
Around 5 million, estimated, because we don't have numbers for Africa, for example. Yeah, they are very passionate persons.
Maybe another simple question. So what is the device, or how are you measuring the count of the bees and all those things? What's the measurement?
We are not counting the bees.
Okay, because I saw...
No. Yeah, we will have,
So
we
this
will integrate sensors in the beehive, because we want also to have some automated data. But the sensor will measure temperature, humidity, local weather, the weight. It is a good factor for... Right now, yes, but in the autumn we'll have also the integration of the IoT sensors.
Yeah, actually my first question is pretty much related. So if they give all the data input manually, like how accurate can it be? So if they are using like some of the bee population, then they're just manually inputting that, okay, this hive is this wrong, or the other metrics, like are they actually helping, or is it really just like a kind of a pre-version of the IoT enabled version?
I don't really understand.
Okay, so just when they give the data input manually,
yes.
Then like how accurate are they? So is it?
Yeah, I mean, yes. As a beekeeper, you must inspect frame by frame all the hives, so you can be very accurate about it.
Okay, and
but the IoT sensors will give some other metrics. So basically, we will combine all the data, and then we will notify or present some reports to the beekeeper. We want to decrease the operational costs, because the beekeeper will not need to go each time and visit the apiary.
Okay, all right. And my second question is that you have 70K downloads.
Yes.
Are you monetizing them already?
No, for now, no. But in 2 months we will launch the freemium version. So yes, there will be a limit for the number of beehives that can be added in the application, and also we will offer some premium features like multiple device synchronization and team collaboration.
And what will it cost?
Now we are measuring this, the intention, but we think that 10 euros per month or 100 euros per year is a good choice.
Okay, thank you. Cool.
And you're the #1 bee.
Yeah, I'm very proud.
Is there some competition in the market?
Yes, there is indeed, but I'm not afraid of competition, because we will integrate all. For example, there are some applications for beekeepers, but there are not some complex as mine, and also there are some IoT providers for monitoring beehives, but we will integrate it.
I've seen something in the shop last season in the US. Somebody built something for their bee house, counting the bees.
Yeah, but anyway, it's more like for scientific purposes. You have 50,000 bees in the hive. I don't know if it's worth to count. How much do you pay for this? You know?
I don't remember.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, one more. Wait. You can applaud. It was not related specifically to this. So applause first. And now, just a tip, because I've checked all the companies on stage. So some of the companies here are not on Crunchbase, and I think as an investor, we use Crunchbase a lot to search for companies and stuff like that. And of course, we also check Apiary, but make sure you're on Crunchbase because then you pop up in the investors.
Yeah, I know. As I told you, now we are participating to acceleration program and we are doing a lot of stuff. Actually, I'm just sleeping 3 hours per night, so I'm very cool now.
Soon.
Yeah. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you.